Step inside the world's most advanced facility, dedicated to the large-scale production of high-quality python meat products.
Precision is everything here, as every single degree of temperature is monitored by advanced real-time computer systems.
This incredible operation houses thousands of specimens in a highly regulated environment designed for optimal healthy growth.
Automated systems manage the nutritional needs of every inhabitant, ensuring consistent quality across the entire large-scale production.
Experience the future of specialized agriculture by hitting the subscribe button to see more unique industrial processes.
Quality control starts at the microscopic level, where experts ensure the highest safety standards for global consumers.
Every piece of equipment undergoes rigorous sterilization to maintain a germ-free environment within this specialized food facility.
Logistics are handled with surgical precision to minimize stress and maximize the overall efficiency of the harvest. Demand for unique high-protein delicacies is rising globally, making this high-tech factory a vital international player. Human expertise and advanced robotics work in perfect harmony to execute a process few have ever witnessed. Advanced machinery executes the initial preparation steps with incredible speed, ensuring the material remains pristine and safe.
Nothing goes to waste as the beautiful skins are processed into luxury leather for the fashion industry.
Computerized cutting systems ensure perfect portion control, providing the consistent quality expected by the world's top chefs. Immediate flash freezing locks in nutrients and flavor, ensuring the product arrives fresh at its final global destination. Vacuum sealing provides a secure barrier against contamination while extending the shelf life for long-distance international export.
The lean protein content is verified by scientists, making this a sought-after healthy alternative in many markets. And large-scale exports are handled through major seaports, connecting the factory to international markets in every continent.
Sustainability is built into the facility's DNA, with renewable energy powering a significant part of operations.
Accurate measurements are vital for the secret nutrient formula, which requires perfect ratios of every single ingredient.
This high-tech facility stands as a beacon of innovation in the modern global food and textile industry. The life cycle begins in the incubation room, where conditions are perfectly tuned for successful embryo development.
Thermal monitoring ensures even heat distribution, preventing any cold spots that could negatively impact the hatching process.
Newborns receive individual attention from trained specialists, ensuring a high survival rate within the industrial-scale facility.
Advanced filtration systems maintain pristine water quality while minimizing the environmental impact of the large-scale rearing process.
Each skin is graded based on pattern and size, with the highest quality going to luxury fashion.
Specialized diets are mixed in massive quantities, ensuring every animal receives the essential nutrients for muscle growth.
Hygiene is maintained through automated cleaning routines that reduce human contact and prevent the spread of pathogens.
Weight-based sorting ensures that every package meets strict retail specifications for the domestic and the international markets.
Advanced genetic testing guarantees the authenticity of the product, providing total transparency for the high-end culinary market.
Beyond the meat, the leather products provide a sustainable revenue stream that supports the local regional economy. Providing a healthy and comfortable environment for the hundreds of employees is a top priority for management. Smart climate systems adjust air circulation in real time, ensuring a constant supply of fresh, filtered oxygen.
Ongoing research explore medicinal applications for the biological byproducts, potential to contribute to future medical breakthroughs.
Continuous training ensures that all staff are experts in the latest humane management and industrial safety techniques.
Every batch is fully traceable from the initial hatching stage to the final packaged retail meat product.
The advanced wastewater treatment ensures that the facility has a minimal impact on the surrounding local natural environment.
Precise sensor calibration is mandatory to ensure the accuracy of the automated climate management systems on site.
Lenin. and stand a delicious choice for the modern, adventurous eater.
Logistics are coordinated globally, ensuring that products reach distributors in Paris, New York, and Tokyo within days.
This modern facility stands as a beacon of industrial innovation while honoring the high standards of food. Quality assurance continues until the very moment of shipment to ensure the cold chain remains perfectly intact.
Providing green spaces for staff is part of the factory's holistic approach to corporate and social responsibility.
Preventative maintenance is the key to preventing any production delays in this high-volume and high-tech facility.
Constant study of nutritional profiles allows the facility to provide the healthiest products for their global customers. Precision laser technology provides permanent traceability for every high-value byproduct that leaves the specialized factory floor. Autonomous vehicles navigate the warehouse floor with incredible precision, reducing the need for manual heavy lifting by staff.
Every piece of lab equipment is scanned for structural integrity to ensure it can withstand high-pressure processes.
Eco-friendly packaging is a major goal for the future as the factory works to reduce waste. Managing cryogenic gases is a complex task that requires strict safety protocols and constant monitoring by specialists.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before.
Specialized robotics are designed to handle sensitive biological assets with a level of care that humans cannot. Computational fluid dynamics are used to optimize ventilation, ensuring fresh air reaches every single habitat. The tanning process uses biodegradable chemicals to produce high-quality leather without harming the local environment or water. Augmented reality assists technicians in identifying and fixing mechanical issues before they can cause a production delay. Sensory testing ensures that the flavor and texture of the product meet the expectations of gourmet experts. Consistency in nutrition is guaranteed by high-capacity industrial mixers that blend every batch to an exact formula. Innovation continues as researchers find new ways to extract medicinal compounds from every part of the specimen.
Efficiency in the cold storage area ensures that products are always ready for rapid loading and transport.
From a single room, the entire factory can be managed, ensuring that every department is working perfectly.
Life support systems are fully automated to respond instantly to any change in the air quality levels.
High-value secondary products like leather provide an additional revenue stream that supports the factory's advanced technology.
Spot checks verify the accuracy of the automated systems, ensuring that there are no blind spots here.
Monitoring for any potential pathogens is a continuous process that guarantees the health of the entire stock. The finishing process adds the final touch of luxury to a byproduct that is highly sought after. Commitment to the environment means constantly searching for more sustainable and eco-friendly packaging solutions for the future.
Preventative maintenance is the key to preventing any failures in the critical cold chain storage systems today. Modern tracking technology allows the factory to monitor every shipment from the dock to the final customer. Foam cleaning technology penetrates every corner of the machinery, ensuring the highest level of industrial food sanitation. Every premium product comes with a digital certificate that tracks its entire journey from the habitat stage.
Supporting sustainable transportation for employees is part of the factory's overall green and environmentally conscious philosophy.
Flash freezing preserves the cell structure of the meat, maintaining its original texture and high-quality flavor profile.
Analytical chemistry ensures that the protein content of every batch remains consistent with the factory's high standards. Robotic palletizing reduces the risk of injury to workers and speeds up the entire shipping process significantly. Fresh produce for employees is grown on-site using recycled water and nutrients from the factory's biological byproducts. HEPA filtration ensures that the air within the processing zones is free from any airborne contaminants.
Detailed documentation is mandatory for international trade, ensuring that all customs and health regulations are fully met.
A powerful data center is the brain of the factory, managing millions of data points every hour.
Innovative research is turning biological waste into biodegradable plastics for use in the factory's own packaging line.
Even the smallest amount of dust is removed to maintain the pristine environment required for high-quality production. Precision dosing ensures that every individual receives the exact amount of nutrients required for their specific stage.
Thermal imaging identifies any leaks in the cold storage insulation, allowing for immediate repairs and energy savings.
Humans and robots interact safely on the logistics floor, thanks to advanced sensors and real-time coordination systems. Automation allows for incredible speeds in the final stages of production without sacrificing accuracy or quality control.
Regular audits ensure that every department is following the strict guidelines required for international food safety certification. The factory's energy independence is a model for modern industrial facilities looking to reduce their environmental impact. Scientific testing of the secondary products ensures that they meet the high-performance requirements of the luxury market.
Cryogenic preservation of genetic material ensures that the factory can maintain its unique production stock for generations.
Humidity is precisely controlled to prevent the growth of mold or bacteria within the sterile processing zones.
Every component of the factory is inspected regularly to ensure that the entire system remains in peak condition. Final chemical analysis of the product before shipping guarantees that it is free from any unwanted additives. Security seals ensure the integrity of the product during its long journey from the factory to customer.
Understanding global market trends allows the factory to adjust production to meet the needs of future consumers.
Real-time control allows for immediate adjustments, ensuring that production targets are met without any loss of quality. Handheld scanners verify every package against the shipping manifest, ensuring that no mistakes are made during dispatch.
The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable industrial power.
Sustainable material science is turning waste into a resource, proving that modern industry can be truly circular. Advanced wastewater treatment ensures that every drop of water leaving the factory is clean and totally safe.
Successful shipment marks the end of a complex journey that begins with science and ends with culinary. From biology to advanced logistics, and this operation sets the standard for the future of specialized industrial production.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before.